Welcome back again to our Igbo language class on LearnIgbo channel. In today's class, we'll be looking at Igbo words for selected English words that start with B. That's what we're looking at. Igbo words for selected English words that start with B. So let's quickly look at them one after the other. Now, there are two things you are learning from this particular video. You are learning the meaning of these English words in Igbo language, and as well as how to correctly pronounce them in Igbo language. So pay attention as I go on right now. So the first one is beauty. Beauty in Igbo language is called mma. The second one is book. In Igbo language, it's called akwụkwọ. You can see, it's not just the pronunciation we're doing, even the writing. The way you see me write this is exactly the way it should be written in a written Igbo language. Beauty, mma, book, akwụkwọ. Best means ọkachamma. Ọkachamma is the best in English language. Ọ bụ ọkachamma n'asụsụ Bekee. You see how I interpreted that particular sentence now. He is the best in English language. Ọ bụ ọkachamma n'asụsụ Bekee. Chuks is the best in Igbo language. Chuks bụ ọkachamma n'asụsụ Igbo. That's it. Then brain. Oboro. 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 We have bread. Achịcha. Achịcha. Beans. Agwa. Agwa. Then we have brother, nwanne nwoke. He is my brother. Ọ bụ nwanne m nwoke. Nwanne nwoke, my brother. We have bone, ọkpụkpọ, ọkpụkpọ. There are too many bones in my food. Enwere ọtụtụ ọkpụkpọ n'ime nri m. I'm just giving you examples. Bed, akwa, akwa. You could see also those marks on top of the A, the two A, aqua. That distinguishes that bed from aqua, which is cry, because they have the same aqua, but that mark on top of those A differentiate. This is aqua, aqua, aqua. That is bed. Then we have boat, obo epepe. We have break. Tiwa, tiwaya, break that bottle, tiwa karama, tiwa, that's break. Then we have bitter, which is ilu. Bitter means ilu. We have bag, apa. We have beggar, onyayeyo. He's a beggar, obo onyayeyo. We have Bible, akwụkwọ nsọ. We have blessing, ngozi. We have back, azụ, azụ, azụ. We have boasting, ịtụ ọnụ. Ịtụ ọnụ, he is boasting, ọ na-ịtụ ọnụ. We have bat, also. Then we have bottle, karama. I just choose 20 English words that start with B, commonly used words, and we have been able to show you their meaning and how they are being pronounced and written in Igbo language. So this is what we do in this class on LearnIgbo language channel. Parents, a child learning Igbo, whoever that is interested to learn Igbo, please subscribe to our channel. You're going to see more and more of this. If you are watching this from Facebook, please follow our page, LearnIgbo page on Facebook. If you want to contact us for special classes, please do it to do that. Let's get you connected so that you can learn Igbo the way you need to learn it. We are experts in this. We'll stop at this moment. Share this video in the classes anywhere you belong so others can be part of this. If it makes sense to you, please give it a thumbs up. I wish to stop here right now. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.